podcast going. Okay, we're on number 4. Big deal.
Just for the teacher's information, we're on number 4. We're working on it.
Yeah.
3 divided by ln.
Hopefully he gets it this time.
Well, 2 doesn't work.
Did 1 work?
I'm assuming 1 works.
Yeah. Let's see.
I can't put it in the calculator because it becomes 0, and you have to use like that equation, and that equation won't let you put a 0 in for the denominator.
Yeah. Let me
work for the calculator.
Yeah. Let's pull this up quick again because I'm pretty sure here. Yeah, let me plug in the 1 really quick because it should work. Yeah, 1 works. Because yeah, just anytime you take the log of 1, it's always going to be 0, no matter how many.
No matter what number you've got.
Yep.
Base.
Yep.
Okay, cool. I accept that answer. Alrighty, 4 x minus 2 to the power of x minus 2 equals 8.
Well, this one's not bad.
Yeah.
All you have to divide by 4. So then...
Because it's to the power of, don't we have to drop them to the same base? Or can we just divide by it?
Let me see. Wouldn't you...
I thought we had to make them the same.
The same base?
Yeah.
You might. Yeah. Yeah, that would sound right. I'm pretty sure, because I'm trying to think, because if you did this one on, I don't know, there was like easy ones on the homework. And there were
really hard.
Yeah. So I'm trying to remember which ones they were.
So I'm thinking if you turn 4 into 2, and so then it adds 2, so it just becomes 2 to x to the power of x, and then it equals 2 to the 4th. So then x just equals 4 because of the whatever relationship.
Yeah, that's right. I do remember that one.
Because they're exponents, I don't think you can divide them. If I remember right. I've only done like
you can't because yeah, you can't because of that. So I do recall that. You have to make them the same base. Yep.
Okay, but the next one's terrible because it's like, how the heck do you get 9 into 2?
Right. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know. Something's going on with Nate's stuff, so it's not working. Sorry, okay, so do you want to go over... Okay, so it's just x to the... for number 4, for 4b.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I wasn't even paying attention, and I gotta remember how to do that. And because I was trying to get Nate added again. Okay.
So, you got to make them the same base. So I changed them into a 2 just because it's easy. You get 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. And so when you add that into your exponent, that just makes it x because the 2's cancel each other out. What I understand.
Okay, yeah. And so then you end up with the... So, yeah, because you get 2 squared, which is going to equal that 4.
Yep.
And then the 2's up top.
That just makes it 2x equals 2 to the 4th, because 2 to the 4th is 8, isn't it?
So
no, it's 2 to the 3rd.
Yeah, it should be 2 to the 3rd.
2 to the 3rd, I did that wrong.
Equals 8, right?
Yeah.
So then
the 2's cancel out, and so it's just x equals 3.
Yep.
I think.
Okay. 4C is going to be a little trickier because we have to have it.
Yeah.
It's the same thing, just see.
So, that's equal basis. Well, we could go crazy and try to raise them to where they're in this to the same number.
Yeah, so let's see. So 4 to x minus 2 equals 9. So, yeah, let's see.
That would be interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll have to add something to both sides.
Yeah.
That will make them equal. That's interesting.
Yeah. Where's the how?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. This should be. Let me pull up the book. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay. Super weird. Nate's isn't working for some reason. I don't want to like stop and restart. Oh, I want my math lab. I mean, I guess we could, but then we just wouldn't have everything. Then I'd have to end the call and go back in.
Yep.
Oh, 1 second. He's calling.
Do you know what it is in the book? Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find really quick. 1 second. He's calling. Hello? Hey. Yeah, I've sent like 5 or 6 of them now. So, yeah. I have no idea. We've never had problems with that before. Yeah, that's wild. Yeah, Kayla's on it just fine.
Yeah, I never could get my computer to work very good with Google Hangouts, so I always use my phone now.
Yeah, see, and yeah, Kayla, he uses his phone. I don't know, what kind of phone do you have?
ES8.
Okay, because like I know, for me to be able to like, because I've always used my phone because I have an Android, and so like I always have done that if I've been invited because it usually will just pop up on my phone anyway. When somebody's trying to call, no matter where it's at.
Yep.
I have to use my laptop for this just so I can actually do the start the live and whatnot. But I don't know. Do you have an iPhone or do you have like an Android? So I don't know. Maybe if you tried getting on there on your email, I don't know, because I know like if you have an Android, Google Hangouts is an app that like automatically is there.
It should be on the Apple Store.
Yeah, I was gonna say you should be able to find it on there, I would think, but. Yeah. So Kaler, so I don't know. I mean, yeah. I see what you can do. I'm gonna ask Kaler something real quick. 1 second. So would you think that this? Because like I'm thinking this would be an exponential equation. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. I'm in the wrong spot then. I'm on. Go.
Trying to find it in the book, but I don't know where the heck it is.
Yeah, it's like in the 200s. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. We're going over stuff. Maybe if we just like put you on, I don't know. We're going over some stuff to try and figure it out because I have to be gone in about 8 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. But so we just like start. Well, we can make sure. I can maybe put you on speaker, and if you want to pull up the group quiz, then we can just do it that way. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Okay, we're just gonna leave you on speaker.
I'm on speaker right now, so.
Okay, yeah, and I've got you on speaker over here.
So at least you can hear it.
Yeah, I've got him Kaler unplugged, so. Okay. So yeah, it's like page 274, Kaler, is where the exponential stuff is. Do you wanna, Nate, look at problem 4C on
The quiz.
On the quiz?
Oh, you guys are on the quiz already?
Yeah, we decided to start with that since I have to leave today to be on time to class. Because most Thursdays I'm not on time to class.
Correct. So I missed 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, if we can like go over them super fast. They're super simple.
Okay.
Once we have this, so like the logarithm, that's just the exponent of the power to which a base number must be raised to equal a given number. It's a very wordy definition, but that's what it is.
You said 174?
274. I'm on 274,
okay.
275 in the textbook. Let me see if I can.
Okay, almost there. Hold on.
Okay.
I can check my stupid computer stuff.
Okay, I just put it up, Kaler.
Okay.
Oh man, this is not my day.
It's okay. We all have them.
Crap.
Okay.
So I can't get on because the security thing is basically being stupid. I'll make sure my laptop, if it works.
Okay. Okay. So we're trying. We don't have to, because let's see. Trying to look at this one, the domain of the, but I don't know what that.
Yeah, I don't.
Let me go back to 274. This is what we have on 274. So these are pretty simple ones.
Like, how simple is it?
Okay, here we go. So, well, okay, so we're kind of stuck on. Oh my gosh, we're stuck on 4C at the moment.
Oh.
Because we have 4, we have to find what x is. But we can't do it all nice and sweet like we could with b, where it's just 2 to the third. So x just equals 3, you know.
Have you tried like plugging in numbers?
No. Let's see. Because it has to be 4 to the something minus 2 equals 9. And I'm quite positive it's going to be a fraction at this point.
It has to be a fraction, no matter what.
Gotta figure out what fraction it's going to be exactly.
So it has to be. Oh, I know this one. Oh, shoot, I did this last night.
Because it's going to be in this first example somewhere.
Oh. I'm going to have a headache after this.
I feel like it might be something to a negative. Let's see.
Kind of, but that will actually give you a negative at the end.
Okay, yeah, so it's not going to be a negative.
So either way, it has to be like over 2. Over 2.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's like, what do we get? 2 to the what is going to equal 9. It's like 2.
So this is going to be our first time having a decimal as a power.
Okay, well, it's going to be less than 3 1/4. But greater than 3.15. But less than 3.2.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it's gonna have to be in there. It's gonna have to be like 3.17, and that gives you 9 with a few decimals. But if you round like the nearest 4th decimal, then it's just 9.0000.
Oh.
Dang.
So let me see. If we go 4 raised to 3.17 minus 2. That would give you 5 though, not 9.
Not 9, but it has to go higher. You know? If you keep going up like 1.1 decimal, it's going to give you over 1,000.
Yeah.
So that's kind of.
We don't want the domain of it. Or the graphing. Let me see. We're trying. Kayla and I are trying to look through the book right now. Let's see what we can find.
Okay. See.
Then we just get to graphing pretty much though as you keep going out.
It's gonna be like one of those goofy fractions that's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, 2 fourths? Try 2 fourths.
No, not 2/4.
Sorry, give me a sec. I'm trying to figure this one out.
So are we.
Getting close. I'm getting really close.
I've got to go here for like really soon.
Sorry.
Oh.
Bear with me.
I think I might have found something. Kaylor. I have it up on the screen, I think. I don't know. I don't know if we do or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Did you look up it? Oh.
So here's this example. Except I want it to equal each other, not f of x.
Okay.
We're getting close.
Yeah. So what they're doing is they're just putting in random numbers until they figure it out.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Which is really terrible.
So pretty much you have to just do guess and checks. Okay, yeah, because 2x to the 8th, 2x to the 3rd, so then 2x, so then x equals 3. We are getting close.
I'm not getting 8, 9 somehow.
Okay, 4 to the x.
If it gets me to 7, but it's not getting 8 to 9.
Okay, here we go. I need something like this. Except it's not so nice.
Number 4. 2. 4. Dang it! It's not gonna. Come on! I'm this close. Okay, let's try this.
I don't want the compound interest model. I want this. Except,
okay, I'm gonna try one.
Oh, that's what we already. Okay. F of x. So yeah, it's gonna have to be an equator. Yeah. I wonder. Oops.
Hold on. Let me try something real quick. No. Get rid of it. Minus 2 times 4. Oh, close. I'm so close. Come on.
It's gonna have to be a number that's kind of high up there.
1 divided by 40. Let me try that. And then
Dang.
by 4. 160. Let me try that one. Times 2 times 4. Come on. Giving me a headache.
Real? Oh my goodness. Yeah. I need to go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what if I do this? I'm gonna end this call. I'm gonna try and add you back on again. So you and Kaylor can finish figuring this out. And I'm sorry I have to go, but I have to go, otherwise I'm gonna be late. So I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna start another one with the both of you, and then you guys can kind of see if it'll add you in. Does that work out for you guys?
I mean, unless my computer sucks.
Okay. So I'll try and add you guys back in again. I'll stop